Hello, in front of me I've got Canon EOS. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic mode. In the beginning, switch to automatic mode. Here you can take photos and videos and the scene will be automatically adjusted. To take photos, press shutter. To start recording videos, press this button. Now, once we are in automatic mode, we can automatically adjust focus, enable or disable shutter, adjust ISO, change image quality, movie rec size, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.